tortilla. Welcome back to another week of work lunches where I share what I take to the office in a bento box. For Monday's lunch, I have a Thai peanut chicken wrap. It's basically shredded slaw and sliced chicken breast mixed with a super easy peanut sauce. I'll have all the ingredients listed below. I wrapped it in a low-carb whole wheat tortilla with some romaine lettuce. On the left, I have sliced English cucumber sticks, some fresh watermelon chunks, some oat bran sesame sticks, and some shelled edamame that I get in the freezer section. Okay, see you tomorrow. For Tuesday's lunch, I'm back to the 6-compartment bento. I have a chicken caprese salad, which is a cubed chicken breast, fresh mozzarella, grape tomatoes, and fresh basil. On the left, I have some Stonefire non-crisps in the garlic cheese flavor, a sliced kiwi, some fresh raspberries. At the top right, I have a little container of balsamic glaze to drizzle over the salad. And in the center, I have some cinnamon apple chips. I just put them in a little baggie so they're easier to grab out of there. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. On Wednesday, I did some planned leftovers. Last night I made some Trader Joe's Gyoza, and I have a few of the Thai vegetable and a few of the Thai shrimp. On the left, in the little muffin cup, is my favorite dipping sauce. It's roasted pineapple habanero. The brand is Amish Wedding. I got it at a local produce store, but I believe they sell it at Walmart. Along the top, I have a mix of cubed strawberries and kiwi, some cauliflower hummus with paprika, some more of the oat bran sesame sticks, and in the center, I have some carrot sticks. Okay, see you tomorrow. For Thursday, I'm calling this, I don't have time to make a lunch bento. I just threw together what I could grab quickly. Also, I have a different bento. This is a 4-compartment. I just use silicone muffin cups as dividers. I have some baby carrots, baby cucumbers. That's a chicken thigh that I pulled the meat off of. Along the top, I have some Crunchmaster multi-seed crackers, some pine nut hummus with paprika, and some fresh raspberries and blackberries. Okay, see you tomorrow. For Friday, I got my act together again. I have a tortellini salad. This is tricolored cheese tortellini mixed with Italian dressing and Parmesan. On the left are some Harvest Snap Pea Crisps in the Parmesan roasted garlic flavor. Along the top, I have some grape tomatoes, a prepared ranch dip, some fresh blackberries, and in the center, I have some Trader Joe's dried mango I cut into strips to fit in the compartment. Okay, that's it for this week. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. If you'd like to see more bento videos, I have a playlist link below. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.